Molecules are always moving and bouncing off one another. Kinetic energy, which is energy in motion, is what's causing all of this activity. The moving and the bouncing of the molecules causes them to spread until they take up their entire container. This is called diffusion. Diffusion will happen until the molecules are spread as evenly as possible. Diffusion will occur on its own without any stirring. The temperature has a big effect on the molecular motion of the molecules and diffusion. Our experiment today is going to help us visualize that effect. For this experiment, we need 3 glasses, ice cubes, food coloring, cold water, room temperature water, and hot water. Each glass is filled about 3/4 of the way full. We fill our first glass with cold water. Then we place ice cubes in it to make it even colder. We fill our second glass with room temperature water. And our third and final glass gets nice hot water. Now we are going to add 5 drops of food coloring into each of our glasses. Once we have our 3 groups prepared and ready, we set the timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can see that there is definitely a difference in our 3 groups. From our observations, we can see that the higher temperatures increase the molecular motion, which in turn increase the rate of diffusion, whereas the lower temperatures have the opposite effect, decreasing both the molecular motion of the molecules and diffusion. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with today's experiment. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if you try it out in your classroom. And remember to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.